Hi, hello, my friends. Welcome back. Do you know that visualization can be a powerful mini tool to help you achieve your goals? I've been researching on that and practicing too. It has been proven that visualizing yourself accomplishing a goal stimulates the same region in your brain as actually achieving it in real life. And believe it or not, your brain does not know how to differentiate between real versus imaginary. But how do you use this powerful mini tool to your advantage? Personally, I love to take 10 minutes a day to conjure up a picture in my mind where I want to go in my life, who I want to be. Yeah? And I do that because here's the thing. Visualization creates feelings. Feelings creates action. Action creates confidence. So in my practice, I visualize a cozy living space with minimal things. I don't like clutter, where I have access to blue and green landscapes. Yeah. And I visualize being surrounded by communities that thrive on healthy cooking, mindful eating, sustainable gardening, meditation, travel adventures, movement play, music, drawing, artistic creations, and water activities. Something like snorkeling, diving, water dancing, water therapy. And I visualize that I will be surrounded by open-minded, animal-loving, nature-respecting, young and old people. This is a lifestyle that is both nourishing and empowering for me. When I visualize this, I feel happy, safe, and loved. Woo! Sorry about that. Live session. Okay, and these feelings make me look at where I am now and motivate me to take mini steps towards achieving these goals. And with every step that I take, my confidence grows. Let me repeat. Visualization creates feelings. Feelings creates action. Action creates confidence. To make this part of your daily routine, you may need to do this when you first wake up, before you jump out of bed, and most importantly, before your mind starts to get busy with the never-ending to-do list. Okay? And what is another way to use this powerful mini tool? Another way would be to create a vision board, if it's your kind of thing. You can have a digital vision board as the backdrop on your computer or your phone, or a physical one hanging next to your desk or on your door. Hanging on the door is my favorite because you are expected to, every time you open and close the door, you look at your vision board, and that's a great reminder. So every day you get reminders of where you want to be, who you want to be, okay? And then allow the feels to come up for you because feelings create actions. So my friend, I would like to offer 3 prompts to help you envision a clear picture of what you want to be, what you want to do, and who you want to be. So the first one would be, what would time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom look like for you? This is the number 1 question I ask myself every day because it really helps me visualize a big goal. And then I scale down. How does my day look like? So that's the second one. How does your day look like? Scaling down. Scaling down a little bit more, the third question is, who will you be surrounded by? Yeah, so I start with the big one and I kind of work my way inwards. And in my sharing earlier, I've actually answered all these 3 questions. Yeah, so in this exercise, if you have a pen and paper, that will be most useful because you get to as you're thinking, you're writing, and just let the pen flow. Be bold and just dream big. The bigger you imagine, the better it will be for you. Yeah? And however, there is one thing I like to emphasize on. Make sure that you're taking proper actions towards what you're visualizing. I know what some of you are thinking. Visualization doesn't get things done. I agree. Visualization alone will not get you the results you dream of. However, if you match the visualization with a small action and then take one small action after another small action, you will get the results that you're looking for. It's a little bit like investment, right? If you save 50 cents a day in your piggy bank and over a year, how much are you going to get? You know, so 50 cents a day does not look like much. In fact, 50 cents these days doesn't buy you many things. But 50 cents over a year, 365 days times 60 cents. My brain doesn't work right now, so I cannot calculate for you. I'm just giving an example. But you get what I mean, yeah? Yeah? So step by step. So my suggestion would be for us, because I'm also practicing, for us to keep moving forward, to keep visualizing, and to keep taking the next right step. My goal is to encourage you, empower you, and to celebrate you wherever you are in your journey. My name is Sasa, and you are watching a Feel Good Friday session where you get tips and tools to love yourself a little bit more every day. Till next Friday, let's power up your visualization skills and let us move towards our big goals. High five. Yeah.